One of Jesus' parables says, "Those that are sown on the good soil are the ones who hear the word and accept it and bear fruit 30-fold and 60-fold and some 100-fold. At Heavenly Urban Nature Gardens, we're preventing and alleviating major health concerns like diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. We're also seeing happier kids who are bringing that joy home to their families. Our community gardens strengthen communities east of the river in wards 7 and 8 by addressing the inadequate access to health care and healthy food that our neighbors of color disproportionately face. We are teaching our kids to love themselves, and through teaching them STEM, science, technology, engineering, math, and agriculture, we prepare them for the future. We are giving our children the tools, not just to survive, but to live and thrive. Visit HUNGardens.org to start growing.